Good morning, children. Welcome back to the new class. Hope you had a good week. Did you remember what we had learnt in the previous lesson? What did we learn, children? Yes, what is this? Files and folders. So what is? Very good. We learned how to create files, how to create folders. We learned there are two methods to create a folder. And then what is this? Yes, how to find a files or folders, and also how to search a files or folders. Okay, tell me, what is this, children? Just observe the image and tell me what is happening. Yes, renaming. Okay, so today we are going to see how to rename files or folders. Okay, methods how to rename. Okay, there are three methods we are going to see. One is using file menu, the second one using right mouse button, and the third one using left mouse button. So you know what is right mouse, what is left mouse, and already the last two classes we learnt how to create a new program using file menu. Today also we are going to see how to rename the files or folder using file menu, right mouse button and left mouse button. Okay, now we are going to see how to rename a file using file menu. Okay, so for that, step 1, I have to select the file or folder which I am going to rename. So what I should do, I should select the file or folder. So for example, here which file I want to select? Yes, so what I should do, now I have selected this file. What I am going to do, I am going to rename. So second step, I should go and click file and then rename. So when you see here, you will see here file and then you have to choose rename, or else in the menu bar itself will appear. So file and then rename. So what is the third step? Yes, I have to type a name. So where I will type? So here I have to type the name. So first I have selected and then I chosen file, then I have selected the rename and then I have typed the name. The fourth step, I have to press enter. So when I press enter, automatically the name will be changed. So here file.txt. So when I press enter, the file name will be renamed. So what are the four steps? First, I have to select the file or folder which I want to rename. Second, what I should do? Go to file, click on rename, type the name of the file or folder and then press enter. Okay. Now the second method, how to rename a file. Yes, right mouse button. So that is right click. So when you are using mouse, you will know to do how to right click, is it? So now we are going to do. Look at here. So what is the step 1? Yes, I have to select the file or folder. So before rename, I should remember I have to select the file or folder. Very good. So here, so now I have selected this file. Okay, can you see the tick? So now I have selected the file. So what is the second step? Yes, I have to click the right mouse button, right click. This is the method that I am going to rename using right mouse button. So I have to click right mouse button. So when I click on the right mouse button, I will get the menu dialog box. So I have to, the dialog box will appear like this when I click the right mouse button. Step 3, I have to select rename from pop-up menu. I have to select rename from pop-up menu. So this is the pop-up menu. So here I have to select rename. So here I have to select rename. Then the fourth step, I have to type in a new name. So I have to type the name for that particular folder. So now here I have agent. Okay. Type in the new name. Step 5, press enter. Always the last step will be the enter. So this is the second method. So what I should do? Right click, the dialog box will appear. First select the file, right click, dialog box will appear, select rename and type the file name, press enter. Okay, third method is left mouse button, that is left click. So how do we do? So always what will be the first step? Did you remember the first step? Yes, select the file or folder. So I have to select the file. What is the second step? Press F2 or click over the file. So I have to click over the file. And what is the third one? Type in the new name. So here when I click, the rectangular box will appear. Then I have to type the new name for that. So always the last step will be press enter. So if I didn't press enter, what will happen? The name will not be changed. It will be like new folder. So after typing the name, I should press enter. So here, for example, 11. Then when I press enter, the file name will become 11. Hi friends, did you remember what are the 3 methods to rename files and folders? Yes. So what you are going to do, take your classwork and write the 3 methods to rename files and folders. She has given 20 seconds. Shall we complete within that? Now look at the image. Tell me what's happening. Yes, transferring the data from one folder to another. The file from the folder, the file has been moved to the other folder. So now we are going to see how to move files and folders. Moving files and folders. So how to move files and folders. There are 2 methods. One is copy and paste. The next one, drag and drop. So I think from the name you can tell me how to copy and paste, how to drag and drop. Okay. So first method, copy and paste. So did you remember how do you copy? Do you know how to copy the text? Yes, I can hear. Ctrl plus C. When I do Ctrl plus C, I will be able to open the document. Select this document. No, I have to select and then I have to choose Ctrl plus C. Then the particular document will be copied. So first step, again select the file or folder. So I have to select the file or folder. The second step, I have to click on the edit and cut. So copy and paste, cutting and pasting, all these will come under the edit. So edit menu. So I have to choose edit and then cut. So when you look at here, so can you see edit and then cut? Or there are 3 methods, 3 ways. Or right click, cut. When I do right click, there will be cut option. Or Ctrl plus X. Ctrl plus X. So now I have selected the file. I have done click on the edit and cut. So what might be the third step? I have to go and paste it somewhere, is it? So how do I paste it? So again go and click on the edit. So look at here, edit and then click on paste. So or right click paste. or Control plus V. So Control plus V stands for to paste an application or the file or folder. So what is the fourth step? You have to paste the file in a new location. So either you can use Control plus V or Edit plus click on Edit and click on Paste. Okay, so that is one method. Now look at the image. What is happening? Yes, drag and drop. So what is drag and drop? I will select the image which I want to move into my folder, and then I will just drag it and put it inside the folder in which it should be changed. For that, the step 1. In the right pane, select the file or folder. So I have to select in the previous image, when you see from the right side, they have selected the file, then they have dragged and dropped into the left side. So now in the right pane, I have to select the file or folder. Okay, so now the file has been selected. Step 2. Click and drag the selected file. So I have to click and drag the selected file. So I have dragged the file into another file. So all this comes under the mouse action. So everybody knows how to drag, how to drop, is it? If you don't know, please try it. How to drag using mouse, okay? And release the mouse button when the target folder is highlighted. So what happened? Here I had 2 documents. First I selected the one and then drag, and then I released the mouse button. So what happened? It has been pasted here. So file or folder will appear in the new area. So this is the new area. So it's very easy, no? So what I should do? There are 2 methods to move files or folders. What is the first method? Cut, paste. Second one, yes, drag and drop. Okay, we come to the end of the class, children. So what are all the things we learned? Yes, we learned how to rename files and folders. How many methods we saw? 3 methods. What are they? Yes, first one, file menu, using right mouse button, using left mouse button. Super. Then what else we learned? Yes, how to move files and folders. For here we learned 2 methods. What are they? Cut and paste, and the second one, drag and drop. Yes, along with the lesson, we have sent the Kahoot pin. Please play the Kahoot before 11 p.m. Use your admission number and name. And also, we have sent the test papers. Please write the test without fail. Thank you and God bless you, children. Have a nice day.